Good morning friends, my name is Varun Gupta, Assistant Professor KIET Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will see properties of Z transform. So first property is linearity property. Properties of Z transform. In this, first property is very important property, linearity property. What is linearity property? If any signal x1 n, any signal or any sequence having Z transform x1z and second sequence x2n having Z transform x2z, and if this sequence is multiplied by a constant a x1n and added in second sequence after multiplication b, then we should get a x1z plus b x2z. If ROC of this x1z is R2 and ROC of x2z is R2, then if ROC of this intersects each other, if does not intersect, then we cannot write this. Okay, so for this property, ROC of both sequences should intersect. Can we write three sequences? Yes, but ROC should intersect. So how to prove this property? We know Z transform operation. Z transform operation is defined as Z transform of xn is equal to n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity xn into z to the power minus n. Okay, here xn is sequence, but here total sequence is this. So xn is equal to a x1n plus b x2n. So we can write n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity a x1n plus b x2n into z की power minus n. Now we can segregate these sequences. N is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. A can be written as, because this is common, and x1n into z की power minus n, plus b can be take outside the summation, n is equal to minus infinity plus infinity x2n into z की power minus n. Now because we can write Z transform of xn is equal to xz, we always write this, means x is converted into x, capital X. Now here x1 है, then we can write x1 z, so it can be represented as x1z, okay, and a plus b, and now here is x2, here x is transformed in capital X. Now here x2 will be transformed into capital X2z. So we have verified the property. Now if we have example xn is equal to 1 by 2 की power n into un, where un is unit step sequence, okay, and 1 by 3 की power n un, okay. So how to find xz for the given sequence? Now we know the z transform of this sequence, z transform of 1 by 2 power n un is z upon z minus 1 by 2. And what is ROC? ROC is mod z greater than 1 by 2. Okay? And second sequence z transform of second sequence is 1 by 3 over n un z upon z minus 1 by 3, and ROC is mod z greater than 1 by 3. Can we calculate the intersection point of these ROCs? Yes, we can. So intersect of these ROCs are 1 by 3. Mod z is greater than 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is unity circle, and this is 1 by 2 greater than. Mod z greater than 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means smaller than 1 by 2. So intersection point is smaller. Okay, so intersection point will be 1 by 2 okay. So this is the output, this is the ROC of the given sequence, this, and z transform of this sequence is z upon z minus 1 by 2 plus z upon z minus 1 by 3, and this is the resultant of the ROC. Okay, so in this lecture we have seen linearity property, and linearity property exists for the ROC if ROC having intersection point. If ROC does not have intersection point, then we cannot find the z transform. In previous lecture we have seen z transform of 1. Okay, so z transform of 1 does not exist because ROC of 1 does not exist. Okay, and ROC of this sequence exists for this ROC, means mod z greater than 1 by 2. Thank you.